Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off sensitive content on your Twitter. So to begin with, what you need to do is go to your Twitter app, and in your Twitter app what you need to do is click on your profile picture, and this menu will show up. Now here what you need to do is click on setting and privacy. Once you click on setting and privacy, under here what you need to do is find privacy and setting, and then click on privacy and setting, which is the fourth option. Click on privacy and setting, and now here you will see content you see. You click on content you see, you'll get an option called display media that may contain sensitive content. You can toggle it on or toggle it off. It's your choice the way you want to do it. And if you want to mark your tweets as sensitive content, what you need to do is go back and click on your tweet, and here you'll find this option that mark media you tweet as content material that may be sensitive. You can turn this on, and this way you can mark your content as sensitive content for other users. So this is how you can do it. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, peace.